Have you seen people posting polls in comment sections on TikTok and wondered how to make your own? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a poll in TikTok comments. Now let's get started. To create a poll in TikTok comments, open the TikTok app and go to your post where you want to create a poll. Open the comment section and tap Add Comment. Tap the poll icon. Type in the question you want to ask, then add the options you want people to vote between. You can have up to 5 options in your poll. Then choose how long you want voting to stay open: 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, or indefinitely. When you're finished preparing your poll, tap the arrow to post it. When people view the comment section, they'll be able to see your poll at the top of the comments, followed by all the regular comments on that TikTok post. They can tap an option to vote for it and see the results. They can change their vote if they change their mind or accidentally tap the wrong option. You'll be notified when someone votes in your poll and with the results when your poll closes. That's all it takes to create a poll in the comments of a video on TikTok. Want to post a photo comment? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.